Hello everyone, welcome to our biology classes. Here is Radha, and in this session we're going to discuss about the differences between animal cell and plant cell. So as I told in the last video, animal cell and plant cells are the eukaryotic cells, right? So that means eukaryotic cells are the cells in which both of these cells have the prominent nuclear membrane, nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. That type of cells can be called as eukaryotic cells, right? So these two type of cells are comes under eukaryotic cells. Okay, now we will see the differences between these two cells. So first we will consider the shape and size. Shape and size of the cells. So if we consider the shape, so animal shapes are different. Animal cells are in different shapes. That means irregular in shapes. Irregular shapes. Animal cells shows irregular shapes. But plant cells are almost shows the rectangular shape. They are in the rectangular shape or rectangle shape. Okay, now we will see the size. So if we compare the size among these two cells, plant cell always larger in size than compared to animal cell. So animal cells are smaller in size. But in case of plant cells are larger than animal cells. So this is the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Some more differences are also there. We will see now. Okay. Here the outer covering, that means animal cells are covered by an outer membrane that is called cell membrane. Cell membrane. And animal cells do not shows any cell wall. And cell wall absent. Okay, they are covered by the cell membrane, and here the plant cells are covered by the thick layer that is called cell wall and cell membrane. But here in case of animal cells, the cell wall is absent. But cell wall is absent. Okay, now we will see the further differences between these two cells. Also, though these two cells are comes under the eukaryotic cells, there are some more differences due to the presence of specialized cell membrane bound cell organelles. So those specialized membrane bound cell organelles do not present in both of these two cells. Okay, some cell organelles are present in plant cells and some specialized cell organelles present in animal cells. So we will see which are not commonly present in both of these cells. Okay, if we consider the lysosomes, actually lysosomes are widely present in, so lysosomes are widely present in animal cells. In plant cells also the lysosomes are present, but in rare cases. So the lysosomes present, but rarely. Okay, and also we can see the vacuoles. Here the vacuoles are wide range of vacuoles present. Vacuoles are present. Here only one single vacuole is present. Here single vacuole. Single vacuole is present. Okay. Here the vacuole is, here in the animal cells, the vacuoles are temporary. Temporary vacuoles present. Vacuoles are temporarily present. And here only a single vacuole is present, that is permanent. Permanent vacuole is present. Clear? Okay, now we will see further differences between these two types of cells. So what is the role of vacuoles? So in the plant cells, vacuoles sometimes play the role of lysosomes. That's why in plant cells the lysosomes are rarely present, because the lysosomal role is played by the large vacuole, that is large single vacuole. Here, and also some more differences we can observe, that is the nucleus present at the center of the cell. Nucleus present at center of cell. But in case of plant cells, the nucleus present at the peripheral region or marginal regions. So the nucleus present at peripheral region or periphery. Okay, this is the main difference between the animal and plant cells. And also we can observe the here vacuole plays lysosomal role. And it is up to 80%. And it is up to 80% in area. So that means the large vacuole occupied up to 80% of the cell is occupied by the vacuole. 80% of cell is occupied by large vacuole. And here the vacuoles plays the lysosomal role, but here the lysosomes are present. That's why lysosomes play their own role. That means lysosomes plays their own role. So by having digestive enzymes. Clear? Now we will see further differences. Here we just discussed about so that means the location of the nucleus and what is the function of vacuole and what is the function of lysosomes in animal cell. Now we will see other differences. In plant cells, we can mainly observe the autotrophic cell organelle, that is called chloroplast. But in animal cells, we can't observe the chloroplast, right? So here, chloroplast is absent. In case of plant cells, chloroplast is present, right? So here, due to the absence of chloroplast, animal cells are heterotrophic in nature. nature. Where in case of plant cells due to the presence of chloroplasts, that means the chloroplast having the chlorophyll cells, due to the presence of that cells in the chloroplast, they are autotrophic in nature. Autotrophic in nature. That means here heterotrophic means the cells do not produce their own nutrition, but autotrophic means the plant cells are autotrophic in nature. That means they produce their own food or own nutrition. That is the major difference between these two types of cells. And also we can observe some more differences. Here plasmodermata is present in plant cells, but in case of animal cells there is no presence of plasmodermata. Plasmodermata is absent. So plasmodermata is also a part of cell. Plasmodermata is the part of cell which will connect the other cell, one to another cell it will connect. That is the plasmodermata. It is the layer of the cell actually. So that plasmodermata is the layer of the plant cell which will connect the other cells. So plasmodermata is present. Okay, so these are the major differences between animal cell and plant cell. Almost all are same. Here cell structure we were differentiated. That means the animal cells are comparatively less in size. Here the plant cells are larger in size, and also this shows them irregular shapes, but plant cells have the only it shows the rectangular shape. Okay, here and also we can observe the here small vacuoles or wide range of vacuoles are present. Here only single permanent vacuole is present that plays the lysosomal activities or lysosomal functions. Remaining all everything is similar between these two cells. And also we can one more difference we need to observe, that is centrioles. Centrioles are the genetic portions. So centrioles are present in the animal cell only, but not in plant cell. Okay, and also in plant cells centrioles are absent, but plastids are present. Plastids are the membrane bound cell organelle. Okay, here we can observe the centrioles present. Here centrioles absent. Centrioles are the genetic portions. Okay, centrioles are absent. And also in case of animal cells we can't find the plastids. Plastids are the membrane bound cell organelles. In the last video I just told the plasmid present in the bacteria, that is prokaryotic cells. Plasmid present in the prokaryotic cells we were observed in the bacteria, right? So plastid is the membrane bound cell organelle, but plasmid is the DNA. So that is the difference between plastid and plasmid. Here we can observe in plant cells only plastid, not plasmid. Okay. So here in animal cells we can't observe the plastid. So plastids are absent. In plant cells plastids are present. Okay, these are the major differences between animal cells and plant cells. If any other doubts about these two differences of the cells, please ask in the comment box. I hope you all are, while watching, you all are understand. If though you people get any doubts, please ask in the comment box. Until that, thank you.